Alright, quick 2-module patch here on the Resynthesizer. Let's check it out. So this maths, I've got everything at noon pretty much. I'm going to hit cycle, move everything to a little bit closer to exponential. I'm going to take this function, send it to the both of this. Fourth channel, let's monitor the sum in the meantime. In channel 4, we should hear something now. There we go, there's a little something. Now, I'll monitor this function, take this function, both here, a little bit more complicated, more squiggly. Let's see. That's interesting. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this output here, copy that, what's coming out of the maths, put it into Morphagene, and I'm going to just record something here. We'll see how that goes. Just playing around. Okay, just some fun stuff there. Now I'm going to monitor what's coming out from the Morphagene. Okay, take this here, monitor right here. I'm going to swap the turning it so we hear what's coming out, and we're gonna go from orange here to yellow. Let's hear what this sounds like. Okay, let's slide it around. Gene size. And we could do some other fun stuff now. I could take the CV out, use it to drive what's going on in one of these channels here. And we can listen to what's coming in too. Oh, is that just music to my ears? Now, let's take this function, give it to the varispeed. Let's calm things down a little bit. Wow, we've got some strange alien terrain. Go ahead and mix with that, because we're playing with the sum here. Maybe I'll record this, I don't know, let's see. Now we got something going on. We got that going pretty fast. 2 modules. What else can we do with a resynthesizer?